Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. So if you also want to transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Binance application. You can see over here Binance has been opened. So in order to transfer your crypto, first of all your Binance account should be verified. If your identity verification is not completed, you'll not be able to do it. You can see over here my identity verification is not completed due to my reason, but I'll guide you through what to do. So what you have to do is tap on the wallet icon that you'll be able to see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be able to find the option for withdraw. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll have to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. Then you'll be asked to enter the wallet address. For the wallet address, what you have to do is go to the Trust Wallet application. After the authentication is completed, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home page. You can see several options over here: send, receive, buy, sell, and history. All you have to do is tap on the receive option that you can see at second. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now here, you'll have to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. Make sure to choose the same cryptocurrency that you selected earlier in the Binance application. For example, if you want to transfer Bitcoin, simply tap on the Bitcoin option. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find a QR. You'll also be able to find the wallet address over here. Simply tap on the copy icon that you can see right over here. Now the wallet address has been copied. Now what you have to do is go back to the Binance application. After that, paste this wallet address that we had copied earlier in the wallet address section. Also select the network. After that, you'll have to enter the withdrawal amount. After entering the withdrawal amount, you'll have to tap on the option withdraw. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Tap on the confirm option. After that, you'll have to complete the verification. You'll be sent a code in your email. All you have to do is enter that code over there. After that, processing of your withdrawal will be done. And then you'll be able to transfer the crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. So that is how you transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.